just like always, an awesome train there, and hope everyone out there had a very Merry Christmas, and now that's over with. I'll try to come out here tomorrow, see if I can get a train. It's supposed to be raining tomorrow, so I may end up bringing my vehicle instead. So now I'll try to come out here again on New Year's Eve afternoon, see if I get my last train of video of the year, and if I get that, I'll be posting that, and right after that, I'll be posting the train video of the year. So other than that, so you have a good day and be safe out there until the next train comes.